Happy Valentine's Day, Abby!
Oh, crap! Big Bird!
What the hell is going on? Grover, why are you in my bed with my wife? What the hell?
Big Bird, listen, man, it wasn't like that. Me and Abby, we were just playing patty cake. So, it's not that serious, Big Bird.
And he brought me home, so I'm now pregnant, Big Bird!
What? Big Bird, I don't know what she's talking about. I don't know how she got pregnant, but I promise you, it wasn't by me, Big Bird.
Grover, you've been waiting for a kid for a long time!
Well, I mean, I guess it's true, so I guess my dreams do come true, Big Bird, so I'm gonna be a father!